Hello everyone, my name is Urvisha Patel, working as an assistant professor in computer engineering department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Let's continue with unit number 3, Servlet API and overview. Outlines are: what is servlet container and types of servlet container. Servlet container means a web server that uses a separate module to run and load the servlet. This module is known as servlet container. It is used for servlet management. Here HTML files are stored in the file system. Servlets run within a servlet container and business data is in the database. Browser means client sends the request to the web server. If the target is an HTML file, the server handles it directly. If the target is a servlet file, then the request is sent to the container and servlet container forward the request to the servlet. Servlet uses the file system and database to generate the dynamic output. Let's see the picture of servlet container. Here, web browser sending the request to the web server using HTTP protocol. If the targeted file is HTML file, then it will handle directly by file system. If the targeted file is servlet file, then it will send to the servlet container. Servlet container send the request to the particular servlet. Servlet uses file system and database to generate dynamic output. Types of servlet container. As I said, a web server uses a separate module to load and run the servlet. This module is called servlet container, or you can say servlet engine, which is used for servlet management. Servlet container is a part of web server. Servlet containers are classified into following three types. First type is stand-alone servlet container. Second one is in-process servlet container, and last one is out-process servlet container. Standalone servlet container are Java-based web server where two modules are integral part of a single program. Two modules are the web server and servlet container. These two parts are work as integral parts of a single program. Example, Tomcat running all by itself is an example of standalone servlet container. We run Tomcat as we would any normal Java program inside a Java virtual machine. It contains handlers for static content like HTML files and handlers for running servlet and JSP pages. Here you can see the diagram of standalone servlet container. All requests are handled by one module. This is servlet container process space, Java virtual machine, default handler which handle the HTML request, servlet handler handle the servlet request, and JSP handler handle the JSP request. Second one is in process servlet container. Here the main web server and the servlet container are different programs, but the container runs within the address space of the main server as a plugin. Example, Tomcat running inside Apache web server is an example of in-process servlet container. Here Apache loads a JVM that runs Tomcat. In this case, the web server handles the static content by itself, and Tomcat handles the servlet and JSP pages. Web server's process space. Inside web server process space, Both modules are run together, and here main web server and servlet container are different programs and runs like a plugin. Servlet container has servlet handler and JSP handler, and web server has a default handler. Default handler is used to run or used to accept HTML request. Servlet handler is used for servlet request, and JSP handler handle the JSP request. Last one is out of process servlet container. Like in process servlets container, the main web server and the servlet container are different programs. The web server runs in one process while the servlet container runs in a separate process. For communication with the servlet container, web server uses a plugin which is usually provided by servlet container vendor. Example, Tomcat running as a separate process, configured to receive requests from Apache web server. Apache loads the mode_jk plugin to communicate with Tomcat. Diagram of out of process servlet container. All requests are first received at the web server. Web server has a default handler for HTML request, and it has mode_jk plugin. This plugin is used to communicate with servlet web container. Servlet container handle the servlet handler and JSP handler. Thank you.